I'm hoping to show you my broken Acer monitor. It's this model. You can see the display just shut off. It's still, what do you call it, powered on, supposedly, because you can see the power light still on. And if I just disconnect the connection that's to the DVI port, first it says this, and then it finally should reconnect, and it reconnects. It could be a power supply issue, which is this monitor uses a external power supply, AC adapter, but you'll see it shut down again after a few seconds. It doesn't. Maybe I'm using the wrong verbiage, but it's the display is turning off, or not connecting to the computer at this point. As you can see, I tried disconnecting the input connection from the laptop to the monitor. Another thing I tried is I tried disconnecting the power adapter over here. So I can disconnect the power adapter right now to show you. I can't do it with one hand, but you'll just have to trust me. Disconnecting power now. So I waited for about 30 seconds and plugged in the power again. It could be the power supply over here. It's been 10 years now, and things do break. There's some other things you could try. You can try resetting the configuration on here. So I can go to, if I can, it's a little difficult. I'm going to do auto. So I did auto config. But it turned off on me right now. So I can actually turn off the power and turn it back on. And again, it'll work again. So it's hard to say it's the power supply because the power light's still showing. And when it stops working, these menu buttons stop working too. So it's kind of strange. It's like it's not connected anymore. Like, okay, shut off. So again, if I wanted to power on again and display what the laptop's showing, I can disconnect. Disconnect the input, disconnect the power, or I can physically turn off the power and turn it back on. So the last thing I tried was, I was thinking maybe it is the power supply. So I tried changing the brightness and display. So if I go to here under power management, if I change it to eco mode, you can see the brightness changed, as well as the probably contrast. So now it's not shutting off anymore. So I don't know if anyone else has this same problem where it just it kind of shuts off, but the power light's still on. And then you can try getting a new power supply, which I was planning to, but I came across this where I changed it to eco mode, and now it's still working. So to show you what time it is, it's 12:32. And I'll come back in 5 minutes, or I can just show you. It's working now, because before it was just shutting off really quickly. So again, I changed the empowering technology from standard. This is standard, and this is like movie. One of them is game and movie. If I do any one of these three, it'll start doing the blank or black display after randomly a few seconds or a minute. But if I put it on eco mode or I choose custom mode with low brightness, I know eco mode is working for sure, but if I use the custom mode with low brightness, it may still work too. And so you can see it's been working over probably a minute now. And so I just wanted to document this and show what I was going through. I tried Googling this problem and I didn't find anything. So there's maybe a YouTube video about this, but at least, I mean, I can buy a new power adapter. And the only reason why this shut off was because of the, what's it called? The Chromebook. The screensaver went on, or display turned off just to save electricity. But again, if that happened normally, it wouldn't come back with the other empowering settings. So that's my little short story. Over and out.